let's make our Brancho beef cheeks with Parmesan Polenta, roasted carrots, and red wine. So even though we're going to be cooking it for quite a long time, we want to make sure that we get rid of as much sinew as possible because it doesn't really break down too well and it's kind of nasty when you eat it. So try to get rid of as much as you can. Now that we've taken the sinew off, we're going to give them a hit with our Brancho. Give it a nice liberal hit with this. You want it to be nice coated across the top. Don't rub it, just pat it into it. Now that we got our beef seasoned, we're going to give it a nice sear in our pan. Give it a nice dark crust. Seared off, we want to get our veg going, so we've got some nice little French shallots here. You can find these at any supermarket, they're pretty common to come by. Really good this time of year, nice and in season. Now we're not going to peel them, we're just going to cut them straight in half, put them face down, and they're going to get nice and roasted. Love a roasted onion. Now we've got our veg prep, we're going to get into the pan. Give it a deglaze with some red wine, get our beef cheeks back in there, bit of beef stock, cover it with foil and get it into the oven. Let's do it. So chuck your beef cheeks back on top once the wine is reduced, and then we're going to add our beef stock. Over to the top. Make sure that you bring this to a boil. Make sure you bring it back up to a boil. If you don't, it will never get hot enough, and it won't be nice. Move them around and get them underneath that stock. Time to make our polenta. So I've got some chicken stock here. Going to go straight into our pan with some polenta. Give it a cook for about 15 minutes and just give it a whisk the whole time. You can use a wooden spoon if you want to. Then we're going to finish it off with some butter and some Parmesan cheese. A nice little bit of smoke finishing salt. It's going to be mwah.